Hello everybody. Thank you for coming here, and in this video I want to talk about the concept of perfection. So, what is perfection? In real sense, there is nothing called perfection. Yes, that's true. By meaning perfection, it means that is something that we always should strive to achieve. But in reality, that's not the case. We have always been told aim for perfection, do the work that you are doing perfectly, or live perfectly. And over a period of time, we take that to a different meaning. So let's say we are doing some work. When we have been told or conditioned over a period of time, do the work perfectly. And with that, we always strive to be the best, or we try to be in an ideal state wherein nothing goes wrong or nothing happens, and then you reach that kind of perfection. But in reality, there is no such world. And even if it is, it's just momentarily. It would just go off. I mean, let's take for anything that matter, be it a relationship or be it the kind of tasks you want to do. Let's talk about that. Mostly, when you have a long list of works to do, you feel that let me finish off everything and then let me be perfect. Like today, I have taken up 10 tasks, let me finish up 10 tasks, and at the end of the day, I am done with everything. So I'm like perfectly finished my work. Does it happen? Hardly. And even it happens, it might happen for 1 day, 2 days, and then in a matter of seconds, you have the next set of tasks that are coming out to you. And you cannot be in that perfect state for a long period of time. So, if you are really looking forward to aim at perfection, you would be disappointed. I mean, you have struggled so much to do something in a perfect world, and even it comes, it has just gone off in a moment fashion. So, it is not really possible to reach a perfect state. But what is possible is to strive for perfection. You can try your best, you can put in your 100%, you can work towards perfection. But there is no such thing as perfection. You reach a perfect state? No. Be it for anything, be it learning, be it in relationships, be it in the way you live, or be it anything for that matter. You cannot reach a stage of perfection. But the only thing that is possible is strive for perfection. Aim to be better. Strive to be better than what you were yesterday. And keep increasing your limits day after day after day. And that is the only thing possible. With your hard work and determination, you can aim for perfection. Thank you for watching this video.